I'll be showing you the top barcode apps available for your Shopify store. In this video, we're taking a look at the top apps here, taking a look at their features, pricing, reviews, and UI, so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. So diving right into our first one here, it's called AIS SKU and Barcode Generator. So you can simplify your SKU and barcode generation, and it's going to simplify this entire process. It has a user-friendly interface, and you can generate them effortlessly with the single text SKU barcode generator. You can choose from random code generation, and you can effortlessly list new products with automatic SKU/barcode generation. And to note, this is for internal use only, and it's not for major platforms like Amazon and Walmart. So overall, a pretty clean UI here in terms of generating your barcodes, and it is free to install, and you can test up to 20 SKU/barcodes. And then unlimited is $3.99 a month or $39 a year. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with over 20 5-star reviews. And the latest 5-star review here says they are really pleased with this app. They switched from QuickBooks POS to Shopify, and they were surprised there's no built-in SKU/barcode generator. This app had what they liked and was better pricing than they experienced in others, and the tech support was super responsive. For our next app, it's called GTIN/UPC Barcodes. You can buy these barcodes for your products, so they are more likely to get approved in marketplaces. You can buy these unique GTIN 13 barcodes from a bulk supplier. They're also called EAN, UPC, or ISBN barcodes, and they're used by Google Shopping to identify products. In most cases, these codes are required and will get your products approved, and in other cases it will improve performance on Google Shopping. To note, these are not brand registered, and if a marketplace such as Amazon or Bull requires them, then these GTINs will not work. In terms of pricing, it's a free to install app. An additional GTINs will start from 0.01 cents to around 28 cents, depending on the volume. Overall, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 24 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest 5-star review here, they had been struggling to have all their product data accurate and have the GTINs have relevant info. This app helped them define and configure the data that they were pushing to their feed and now have 99% of their products fixed and eligible for ad spend. For the third app here, this one's called Easy Scan. So you can manage inventory and order fulfillment, retail barcode label SKU generator, and there's a barcode generator and printer. So you can create, pick, pack, fulfill, and check orders with a barcode scanner to stop errors. You can have the SKU and barcode generator, as well as print custom barcode labels, and it's going to make picking and fulfillment easier. So overall, a very clean UI to create an order using any barcode scanner, tablet, or smartphone. You can fulfill orders using a scanner to prevent packing errors, and you can update product inventory levels at all of your locations. In terms of pricing, there is a 10-day free trial. It's going to start at $9.99 a month, and it's going to go up to $59.99 a month, and it's going to depend on the type of features you're looking for. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with over 150 5-star reviews. Merchants highly value this app for its user-friendly design and reliable inventory management, barcoding, and order fulfillment features. Its integration with Stocky for label printing and customizability is also appreciated. Merchants report fewer errors and improved order accuracy since using this app. The last app we'll take a look at is called Yanit. It's a retail barcode labeler. So you can design and print barcode labels for your products in just 3 easy steps. Make your own unique label style as well. So you can design a label template quickly and easily without any coding skills. You can set up any label size. You can generate different types of barcode formats. You can print labels for multiple products in mass by multi-selecting or using a CSV file. You can also integrate with Stocky as well. So it's a simple design editor for quick and classic templates. So you can create label templates. It also has an advanced design for various and complex as well as stylish templates. You can see some examples here, so you can really customize this to your liking, and it makes it easy to generate these barcodes and print labels. In terms of pricing, it's free for up to 200 labels per month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of labels you're looking for. And at $69.99, you can print unlimited labels monthly. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with over 85 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest 5-star review here, we can see there's amazing customer service provided by Alice, and she was able to patiently and quickly assist them in getting set up. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to find out how much money you've actually made. You have all your different cost of goods sold, your ad spend, your transaction fees. It can be a lot to keep track of. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It has a seamless integration with Shopify, and it's going to sync with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold providers. You can get one-click calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time metrics. You get a ton of different breakdowns here so you can truly understand your store's performance, and this is going to let you make smarter business decisions. There's a link in the description below where you can get a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left here. So make sure you check it out, and it's going to simplify the entire profit and accounting experience. So this is going to conclude the video here. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe below. I have tons of videos on Shopify on my channel, so if you have any questions about anything on Shopify, I'm sure you can find it there. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.